Ever wondered how to make your own skincare face masks at home? It's easier than you might think, and it's also a great way to take control of what you're putting on your skin. Many of the ingredients we'll be using are natural, and they have properties that can nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. Plus, DIY skincare is a fun and affordable alternative to store-bought products. Today, we're going to be making 3 different types of face masks. Each one is designed to address a specific skincare concern. First, we have the Hydrating Avocado Mask, perfect for dry or dehydrated skin. Next, the Brightening Turmeric Mask, which can give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. And finally, the Clarifying Clay Mask, which is great for oily skin or anyone struggling with blemishes. Excited to dive into the world of DIY skincare? Let's start with our first mask, the Hydrating Avocado Mask. First up is our Hydrating Avocado Mask, perfect for those with dry skin. This mask is not only incredibly moisturizing, but it's also packed full of beneficial nutrients that your skin will absolutely love. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. We'll need half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a handful of oats. These 3 simple ingredients are the building blocks of our Hydrating Avocado Mask. The star of our mask is, of course, the avocado. Packed with vitamins A, D, E, and healthy fats, avocados are truly a superfood for your skin. They help to moisturize and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Next up is honey. This sweet ingredient is a natural humectant, meaning it helps lock in moisture. But that's not all. Honey is also full of antioxidants which can help to fight off damage from free radicals and slow down the aging process. And last, but certainly not least, we have oats. Oats are a known skincare savior thanks to their soothing properties. They can help to reduce inflammation and irritation, making them perfect for those with sensitive skin. Once we've gathered our ingredients, it's time to get mixing. Start by mashing the avocado until it's smooth. Then add in the honey and oats, stirring until everything is well combined. The result should be a thick, creamy paste that's ready to be applied. To apply the mask, simply spread it evenly over your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to really work their magic. Once the time is up, rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. The result? A hydrated, glowing complexion that feels as good as it looks. The Hydrating Avocado Mask is a simple yet effective way to give your skin the nourishment it needs. And voila, you have your Hydrating Avocado Mask. Next, we move on to the Brightening Turmeric Mask. If dull skin is your concern, our Brightening Turmeric Mask will certainly help. This mask is a delightful concoction of turmeric, yogurt, and honey, each playing a crucial role in rejuvenating your skin. Let's start with the star of the show, turmeric. This golden spice is a staple in Indian kitchens and now a celebrated ingredient in the beauty world. With 1 teaspoon of turmeric, you're inviting a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent to your skincare regime. Turmeric can help lighten hyperpigmentation, heal wounds, and give your skin that enviable glow. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This humble dairy product is a treasure trove of lactic acid and probiotics. The lactic acid will gently exfoliate and smooth your skin, while the probiotics will help strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Yogurt is also fantastic for hydrating your skin, so it's a win all around. Now let's sweeten the deal with a teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps your skin retain moisture. It's also antibacterial, which makes it great for preventing and treating acne. Plus, it can soothe irritation and give your skin a beautiful, healthy sheen. Now let's get to mixing. Combine the turmeric, yogurt, and honey in a bowl. Stir until you have a smooth, creamy paste. Apply this mixture evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, you might feel a slight tightening sensation. That's the mask working its magic. Once the time's up, rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. And voila! You've just created a brightening turmeric mask that's packed with benefits for your skin. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and more radiant. There you have it, your brightening turmeric mask. Now, let's proceed to our final mask, the Clarifying Clay Mask. Enjoy the glow, folks. Scene script. Last but not least, our clarifying clay mask is a wonderful solution for oily or acne-prone skin. We're going to create this mask using 3 key ingredients: clay, apple cider vinegar, and tea tree oil. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in making this mask a powerful tool for skin clarification. Let's start with clay. We'll need 2 tablespoons of it. Clay is fantastic for skin health. It's rich in minerals that nourish the skin, and it works as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and promoting the growth of new ones. Plus, it's a great oil absorber, keeping your skin looking fresh and matte. Next up is apple cider vinegar. We'll need 1 tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your skin's pH levels, reducing redness and inflammation. It's also packed with alpha-hydroxy acids that remove dead skin and reveal a new layer of vibrant skin underneath. Lastly, we'll add in a few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a popular ingredient in skincare due to its potent antiseptic properties. It can fight off bacteria and fungi, making it great for managing acne. Now let's combine these power-packed ingredients. Take a small bowl and add in the clay. Then pour in the apple cider vinegar. Mix it well, and you'll notice the clay dissolving and forming a paste. Lastly, add in the tea tree oil and mix it once more. Once your mask is ready, apply it evenly on your face, avoiding the area around your eyes and lips. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries. Then, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Remember, everyone's skin is different. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying any new product to your face. Although these ingredients are natural, some people might still have sensitivities or allergies to them. And there's your clarifying clay mask ready to use. Let's summarize what we've learned today. So, you've learned how to make 3 different types of DIY skincare face masks. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've covered. We started with the Hydrating Avocado Mask, a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants that deeply moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Then we moved on to the Brightening Turmeric Mask that helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and give your skin a radiant glow. And finally, we delved into the Clarifying Clay Mask, a wonderful remedy for oily and acne-prone skin, helping to draw out impurities and tighten up those pores. Remember, it's crucial to carry out a patch test before applying these masks to your whole face. Our skin is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Feel free to experiment with these recipes, adding ingredients that your skin loves. And most importantly, be patient and consistent with your skincare routine. Remember, the secret to great skin is consistency. Happy masking!